to our channel
Science with
Anvi.
Anvi. Today we are going to create some cloud and rain in the room itself.
Yes.
And we need only few things in there. One is a full glass of water. No, not a full glass, a little bit black in there.
And we'll need some red food,
Food
coloring
coloring.
with a tiny bit of water in it and mix it.
Yes.
And some shaving cream.
Perfect. So, should we start now?
Yes, let's start.
Let's start then.
I'm gonna put the shaving cream in and tell me when to stop. Because sometimes put too much in.
Can I have this one?
Yeah. Was that
You
enough?
need to feel this, right?
It looks like vanilla.
Perfect. And
Can I
then
put it?
we'll put a little bit in here.
Oh, it looks like a strawberry sundae.
Oh yes.
I really want to eat it.
And see,
Look at that.
look at that.
It's beautiful. Right?
Actually, we shouldn't touch it.
Do not touch anything.
It should go automatically in there.
And put a tiny bit more in there. And one right there. Some there. And right there. And some right there. So, this
And you can
experiment.
see that the color is going down and up, like
Like a volcano.
a light volcano actually.
Like the cup is the rock thingy, and that is flowing up. Like do you remember our volcano experiment? It's just like this one.
Yeah. But this time, it's a cloud experiment.
Yeah, but it looks
But it's
similar.
not a rain, it's blood rain.
And if I touch it, it's turned a bit harder than before.
Yeah, I can put something in there and put like
Same.
Hope you guys have fun. And this was our small experiment, cloud and rain in the home.
When I touch it, it feels like soft, but I can't take it up to my hand.
Yeah.
So this experiment is finished for today, but I know it's small, but it was so much fun for you to watch our video, and it was fun for us to make this video so you can try it.
And it's summertime, so try this at home, and you can also have some fun with the foams and shaving cream like this afterwards as well. Oops. Oopsie. If you like our videos, then please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Science with Anvi.
So have a fantastic
day.
trying this.
Bye bye.
Bye.